So while I'm at it, working on some oil leaks, looks like there is a leak coming from the oil filter housing right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that 46mm. Here's the socket that I specially ordered for that, which sits right in there. Gonna undo it and replace this big gasket under there, and these two are for the sides. So one thing that I didn't check, that this one is a 3/4 of a drive, and this toolbox right there, this biggest one is just a 1/2 inch one. So I ended up going to AutoZone and getting $51 worth of tools to get this nut open there. Well, guess I will end up returning those, since this is the first and only time I'm gonna use them. As you can see, that thing right here is pretty oily. I have removed the 46mm right here in order to access the 3T30. 1, 2, 3. Maybe there's even a fourth one there, in order to get the other two, those smaller ones, replaced. The big one is down there. You can see that it's been leaking pretty bad. So everything apart now, separated from each other. Well, leaking from there, since this one and this one here is totally flat, so probably that's where the main leak is been coming from. And this one down here, it seems to be like very hard plastic comparing to this rubbery one here. For those who want to do it on their E55 CLS 55s, that should be our part number for that. So let's get them changed and cleaned up. So now that we have installed the new gaskets, you can see how much higher they are. The other one was flat, this one also sitting there like a millimeter higher than this flattened hard plastic. Should be rubbery, but these are pretty hard out of heat and have deformed. So definitely a way to go. $15 to get that ugly oil leak fixed.